Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.